It's that time of year, ladies and gentlemen, and it is a beautiful day today. Today in front of us, we have Ridge's newest wallets. These are their leather ones, and we're gonna get straight on into the video. So folks, let's go from that to this beautiful minimalistic wallet. So I hope you're having a fantastic day. Let's start with, we're gonna show you both of them, but we're gonna go through all the features of just one because they're both the same, but two different colors. Let's start with the brown. Inside, we have our little pamphlet right here. We have our Ridge sticker. That's a beautiful thing. Slap that on the back of your Bronco, your Tesla Cybertruck when you finally do take delivery of it, or your water bottle. And that, my friends, is ooh la la. Take a look at that. That is very, very cool and unique and different than their other Ridge wallets, which are absolutely fantastic. But if you want more of a leather, look at that handcrafted look to it, beauty. So you also have additional screws and a screwdriver right here as well. Now they do all come with a cash strap, but Ridge does offer a money clip. If you'd rather go with a money clip, you can check out that accessory. Now as we take a closer look at it here, Ridge is having their Shop the Holiday sale right now where you can get up to 30% off through December 20th. Use my direct link, which is located in the description box below this video, and take advantage of their Shop the Holiday sale through December 20th, where you not only can pick up these leather Ridge wallets, but all of their other different ones. So don't delay, grab your colors like the Hyper Lime, which is a really cool color, and also their ceramic powder pastel colors, which are absolutely phenomenal as well. Alrighty, again, so beautiful and unique. That is embossed in there, punched in, I should say. And then look at the hardware. You got black hardware around it, and they call it the brown, but that's almost like, oh man, beautiful, like sandstone as well, where the light kind of hits at it, different angles. It's a beautiful color. So let's go ahead and get out our temporary card right here. And then let's go ahead and take a look at the middle here. So they have blacked it out completely, looking beautiful on the interior portion here. And then coming around to the back, you have your R for Ridge, of course. This is a nylon band right here with leather right here. That is going to be your cash strap here. So let's load it up. Okay, so cash goes right behind the band right here. So that's a 20 and it's kind of discreet, which is nice. And it looks really good on the back right there. If you want to hold cash, garage sales, tipping the valet, you guys get the idea. Cash is still present in our society these days. Anyway, flipping it around here, I got 8 cards in here right now, but again, it can hold up to 12. One of the cards is my Crypto.com metal card, which is super thick, and I have my snowboard pass, my Costco card, my shopper's card, etc. So let me go ahead and show you how the Ridge works if you've never seen the Ridge perform before. So I grab it like this, up it with my thumb right there, and you can either pull them all out, fan through them, but what I like to do, let's set them back in here and let me show you how we're doing it here. What I like to do is I like to go ahead and grab my first one. I'm going to push the other ones down because I don't want my license on the internet, etc. And then whip out your shopper's card, etc. And then how I put them back is I just go ahead and insert them like that, or pop it back up and then flop it back in. So if I was at the grocery store, what I would do is I would do this, scan my shopper's card, see how this one is still out a little bit. Then what I would do is I would slip that one back in and pop that back into play here. Or your most used card on the back. Let me put down my license, etc. And then whip that out right there for Costco, and then go ahead and put that one back in. And so you can see here, it still is super minimalistic with your cash on the back and all your cards looking super, super unique and beautiful, like I keep saying. That is a beautiful grain of leather, I'll tell you what. Okay, you're gonna get the same accessories in the black one, and let's go ahead and load it up and show it to you. Okay, folks, again, a beautiful texture of leather. Absolutely stunning with black there as the light hits it. Black hardware, slipping it around to your black cash strap right here, black nylon. So if you want that blacked out look, if you're cruising the streets, you ballers, with your G-Wagons, with your black Ridge wallet, leather wallet, come on now. Look at that beautiful thing right there. And again, it's gonna perform the same push-up cash strap. Once again, use my link, top link in the description box below, and get up to 30% off until December 20th. So take advantage of their Shop the Holiday sales as well. But they're upping it even more. If you use my link, you can enter your email or phone number for a SMS text message for a free chance to win a Ridge bundle worth $4,000. $1,000. No purchases necessary. So again, use that to grab these colors, Hyper Lime color, pastel ceramic powder colors, or any of their other beautiful colors, carbon fiber, base camp orange, you name it. Well guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you are having a beautiful day. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as DIY house projects, cute dog videos, van life builds, and more. We will see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.